one piece of advice I'd like to give parents is that if you are worried or concerned about whether your child is learning well or is paying attention, you have some kinds of suspicions perhaps that all is not well, I would not hesitate to get a professional evaluation. Because what I often hear is that there were some suspicion or even clearer indications that a child was having difficulty in school with attention or behavior, and that parents and others may kind of hope that the child would grow out of it, or may have been able to soothe themselves. Well, he or she's getting, they're doing well enough, and so there's probably not a need. I think, on the other hand, it's better to cover all the bases and to make sure that there isn't something that could be helping the child at this point in time. So I don't think there's any harm, and certainly a lot of potential benefit to having an evaluation to determine if there is a problem. And parents, I think, may kind of worry about what recommendations might be made. Is someone going to suggest medication? And so I think it's important to keep in mind that the evaluation and treatment are two separate processes. And what will happen at the end of a good evaluation is that you will sit down with the therapist and review the results, and then you will make a decision about which to pursue. So the evaluation is to obtain information and learn in a detailed professional manner what difficulty there may be present and what can be done about it.